Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you what is Cardano Coin and who founded it. So watch this video till the end so that you can know all about Cardano Coin. Cardano is also called the Ethereum killer. Like Ethereum, it uses a blockchain model together with smart contracts and uses tokens. Ethereum is a second-generation blockchain. Cardano is known as a third-generation blockchain and has been able to look at Ethereum and make improvements. Cardano will be the first blockchain to use multiple layers. There is no limit to scaling. When more people use blockchain, more transactions can be processed. The ADA cryptocurrency offers cheap and quick transactions. Cardano's consensus mechanism is more environmentally friendly than older blockchains, as well as being fairer. Cardano is proud to be the first platform to use open source code, which is peer-reviewed. Its code doesn't have weaknesses and bugs. If that is not the case, it can lead to all sorts of catastrophic problems. Just think of the DAO hack at the old Ethereum, where millions of euros were stolen from coins and the value of Ether immediately dropped. To prevent such a situation, Cardano has a network of researchers who tested various protocols and developed a more advanced blockchain. This same process also undergoes the code of aircraft protocols. When a transaction takes place, different data must be recorded. Bitcoin only records who the coins are from, to whom they have to go, how many coins are transferred, and when this happens. All this information is stored together. Ethereum adds so-called metadata in the form of smart contracts, where there is additional information about, for example, what the conditions of the transaction are. The metadata is saved together with the information about the sender, etc. What Cardano distinguishes in is that the core information of the transaction is separated from the smart contracts. The CSL layer stores the number of tokens from wallet A to B, and in the CCL layer all smart contract functions are saved and possibly information about the digital identity of the parties. Who founded Cardano? ADA. 3 organizations founded Cardano: the Cardano Foundation, Emergo, and IOHK combine their efforts to make Cardano ADA scalable, secure and flexible. It was launched by the IOHK team in September 2017. Its leaders are Charles Hoskinson, ex-co-founder of BitShares, and Jeremy Wood, ex-member of the Ethereum team. Cardano ADA was released in different countries, and among students at various universities. The Cardano Foundation is working to offer security and promotion for the Cardano protocol technology. So, its main goal is fixing all issues and rules governing the cryptocurrency, as well as improving and developing the ecosystem. Uncrypto can develop, protect and promote businesses. It is seeking partnership with other organizations and companies that want to implement blockchain into their businesses. Uncrypto has found research and development centers for these purposes in other countries, including South Korea and the Philippines. This multifunctional platform provides users with opportunities to receive payments, gamble, and build their own ecosystem. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.